Imagine being able to capture crystal clear 4K aerial footage with a small and lightweight drone that can fly for an extended period without any hassle of registration or complicated setup. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, with the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo, that dream has become a reality. Unfortunately, the market for drone enthusiasts has been plagued by a lack of innovative products that balance portability, ease of use, and high-quality features. Many entry-level drones either sacrifice performance for affordability or require extensive setup and registration, making it a daunting task for beginners. That's where the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo comes in, an ingenious solution designed to address these pain points head-on. When I first unboxed the Mini 3, I was immediately struck by its compact and aerodynamic design. The sleek matte finish gives the drone an understated sophistication that makes it visually appealing. At 249 grams, it's incredibly lightweight, allowing for effortless portability and travel. Upon closer inspection, you'll notice the well-structured folding design makes storage and transportation a breeze. The built-in camera lens is cleverly positioned on the drone's top surface, reducing wind resistance and allowing for seamless vertical shooting capabilities. Now, let's dig deeper into the advanced features that make the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo stand out. The first notable feature is its 4K UHD camera with HDR video capabilities. With dual native ISO fusion, the Mini 3 captures stunning, crystal-clear images, showcasing an incredible level of detail even in low-light conditions. Whether you're a seasoned aerial photographer or a beginner, this feature will undoubtedly impress. Imagine capturing a breathtaking panoramic view of a majestic waterfall or the intricate architecture of a skyscraper, and being able to easily share it on social media without any fuss. Thanks to the Mini 3's true vertical shooting capabilities, you can create stunning videos that will leave your friends and family mesmerized. The drone's impressive 3-axis gimbal also ensures silky smooth footage, further increasing its overall video quality. The Mini 3 boasts an incredible battery life of up to 3 hours with the extended battery option. That's an estimated 114 minutes of uninterrupted flight time. You can easily switch between the 3 included batteries, minimizing downtime and maximizing your flight duration. But what happens when the battery level starts to dwindle? Don't worry, the built-in low battery warning ensures you'll get enough warning to begin landing and secure the drone safely. During my real-world testing, I flew the Mini 3 on several occasions in varying environments, open fields, cityscapes, and even through light rain showers. In each scenario, the drone performed admirably, with responsive and accurate control. While flying, I noticed some minor wind resistance, particularly in stronger gusts, but the Mini 3's sturdy design and robust motors held up remarkably well. However, I did experience some issues with obstacle detection, which can be improved with further firmware updates. When it comes to weighing the pros and cons, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a high-quality yet user-friendly drone experience. On the plus side, it offers exceptional 4K video capabilities, impressive battery life, and seamless vertical shooting. On the downside, the obstacle detection could be improved, and a few users may experience some minor issues with wind resistance. In the competitive market for mini drones, the DJI Mini 3 stands out against the likes of the Autel Nano Plus and the Parrot Anify. While these options have their own unique strengths, the Mini 3's impressive feature set and ease of use make it an appealing choice for beginners and seasoned enthusiasts alike. After thoroughly testing and using the DJI Mini 3, I can confidently say it's an excellent addition to any drone enthusiast collection. Its impressive 4K video capabilities, extended battery life, and true vertical shooting capabilities make it an ideal choice for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. If you're looking for a hassle-free drone experience that delivers on performance and quality, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo is a top-notch option. So what are you waiting for? Get ready to take to the skies with the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo. Your next aerial adventure awaits.